Right, thank you, Emily. Turn back the clock with Dr. Sonny O and the timeless facelift. It can erase lines, wrinkles, redefine your neck and jawline, and more. Dr. Sonny O is here with patient Jane Huff to tell us all the details. Good to see you guys again.
Good to see
nice
you.
Nice to meet you, Jane.
Thank you for having me, Erin.
Dr. O, always a pleasure to have you. Let's just start. We're talking about it's the timeless lift, correct?
Yes.
Tell me exactly what it is, what it does.
The timeless lift is my vision or concept of how to address the aging facial and neck region.
Okay.
So, you know, there's a lot of things that can be done, non-invasive and invasive, to really address that area. But the actual lift procedure is something that I perform in the office under local anesthesia.
Okay.
And it's really directed towards the concerns of the patient, whether it be their jawline, sometimes it's their neck region. And, that's the important thing about this is that each patient has specific concerns that are unique to them.
Sure.
So I try to customize this procedure to address those concerns.
But that's always the common area, obviously,
Absolutely.
as we age, that, gravity pulls down. So you lift that up, it erases wrinkles. What does it do?
It addresses some of the wrinkles. It restores some of the tissues that gravity has pulled down.
And we're looking, that's Jane right there.
That is
amazing.
Yeah. So it addresses the wrinkles. It addresses excess skin. Sometimes there's excess tissue underneath. So, there are variations of all of the above.
Yeah.
And the procedure is customized to address whatever the main concern is. Yeah.
There's Jane, literally wiping away time.
Isn't that amazing?
Turn back the clock. Wipe it right away with a swipe. Jane, I want to ask you, what was your experience like with this timeless lift?
Well, at first, like anyone else, I was apprehensive about having it done. But Dr. O is so wonderful at his craft. He put me at ease. And from then on out, it was a breeze. You just have to listen to what he says, do what he says, and you'll come through fine.
And we were talking about time. How long is the whole procedure? It's done in a day, a couple hours, correct?
Yeah, since it's done in the office under local anesthesia, the procedure itself does not take very long, and nor does it have to.
Sure. And how do you feel afterwards? We were talking in the makeup room.
Yes.
I want to know, what did your friends say when you came back and they didn't know that you'd done this?
Well, at first, a lot of my friends that didn't know I was going to have the procedure were telling me, "You look different. What's different about you? You really look good." I said, "Oh, maybe it's just because I got a haircut recently."
We said new moisturizer.
I didn't want to actually admit that I did this, but the more I thought about it, I know a lot of people that are in my same boat, and I think they just need a little nudge to go ahead and do it themselves.
How much younger? Obviously, you look younger, but just feel. How much younger do you feel?
I think I feel a good 10 years or more.
That's great.
Younger.
But you did. 10 years younger.
Yeah.
And that's something. Well, it's her.
Yeah, it's all her. So who would be a good candidate for this? Who could contact you for this procedure?
The patients are typically women, but I think I have a fair amount of men who've expressed an interest because that area is concerning to both men and women. And, it really just depends upon what your concerns are, but the age group typically is, 50 plus is probably the patient population that I see the most.
And we were talking about Dr. O's bedside manner. We're going to talk about you for a second.
Oh, thank you.
That's okay. How wonderful he is. Like, put you at ease, right? Made everything so easy.
Absolutely. The first time I met Dr. O was at a seminar that he was giving near where I live. And as he got up there and told about the things that he could do to help people look and feel better, I knew that he was totally committed to his patients.
Right?
So that pushed me over the edge.
That's wonderful. You're right here in Mount Pleasant, and you have a special offer for Low Country Live viewers right now. So go ahead and tell them what that is.
We do, and our office is off of Houston Northcutt. But the special offer is $500 off towards a timeless lift procedure.
And it says timeless eye. What's that? We didn't discuss that.
That's one of the variations of it, but it's to address the eye area because sometimes we get a little skin above our eyes or a little puffiness underneath our eyes. So, as I had alluded to earlier, this whole timeless concept really addresses kind of the whole facial area. The lift kind of more so in this area, but when those concerns center around the eyes, the timeless eyes is an excellent option for that.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Always a pleasure to have you, Jane. You
My
look
pleasure
fantastic.
to be here.
Such
Thank
a pleasure
you.
to meet you. Call now the number 388-4939. And remember, if you mention Low Country Live, you'll receive $500 towards your timeless lift or timeless eye procedure. Dr. O is right there on Houston Northcutt in Mount Pleasant. And we've got more Low Country Live right after this.